Okay, so of course I forgot the number, but I'm going to open the document and you're going to tell me this one. How have you been, Connor?
I've been doing pretty good. Just trying to, get through everything. So
I know.
how are you doing?
Doing not bad, can't complain. Okay, let's try it. Let's go here. Right. Did you say 16, number 16?
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay. Now you can tell me to do exactly number 16. You can tell me to do one like number 16, doesn't matter. If you don't say anything, I'll just do number 16. All right. Okay. The good news is the traveler problems look a little hard, but they are not really that bad. So let's try number 16.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to do it very slowly. Hopefully people who missed it the first time, they'll get a second chance. All right, guys. Let's see. Let me see. How can I write on this? I don't think I can. Oh, I don't need to. Okay. So guys, this grid, Connor and other people, I'm going to upload it as our part 3. I'm going to take some grid. Okay. I don't worry about the size. I'm going to hide this. Okay. Okay. Now I have 6 loaves of bread. One person has 6, one person has 5, one person has 4. So let's shade these sentences. Maybe the first one is blue. The second one is green. And the third one is 4. Okay. Again, I have read this question too many times. So let me paraphrase the question for you. There are 3 people with bread, 5, 6, and 4. 6 plus 5 plus 4 is 15. There are 15 loaves, but there are 4 people. There are 4 people. Okay, there are 4 people. Sorry, didn't need to put there. There are 6 plus 5 plus 4 loaves. Let's summarize. So. And I'm doing it slowly on purpose. It kind of, just recording it, you can go really fast. So I'm going to just do it a little slowly. Okay. So these are some of my conclusions that can be gleaned from the problem. There are 4 people, okay? 3 of them have altogether 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4, which is 15 loaves. Now, there are 15 loaves. If I had 3 people altogether, they wanted to share, I would be in very good shape. Okay. The catch is the 4th person tells us, the 4th person who doesn't have any bread, let's change the color of this sentence to red. Okay. This 4th person doesn't have any bread, but she's saying, hey, let's share all the loaves together, and whatever money I can give you, I'm willing to spend all 15 quarters. All right. Now, the best way to do it, and here's the kind of magic trick, you're going to take each loaf and cut it exactly into 4 parts because there are 4 travelers, and try to visualize it. Let's say you are in charge of distributing the bread equally. You could just say, I'm going to take the first loaf, cut it into 4 slices and give each person a slice. I'm going to grab the second loaf, cut it into 4 slices, give each person a slice. So if you do that, you can guarantee equal sharing. So I'm going to say,
you just divide it all by each one by 4. Is that what you're saying?
Correct.
Like the 6 loaves and the 5. Okay.
So I'm going to write it down. Yes, you observed, you made, your observation is correct. So I have 15 loaves. Each loaf is cut into 4 slices. Therefore, there are 4 travelers, so there are 4 slices. Do you see where 4 is coming from, Connor?
Yes.
Good. So can I say I have 60 slices? Therefore, I have 4 times 15 equal to 60 slices. Can I say that? Is that acceptable?
Yes.
Good. And and now it's very easy because 60 is divisible by 4. So each
Right.
gets 15. Things are much better. Each gets 15 slices. Do you have to write all of this even if you were taking it physically in my class? Not really. I'm doing it because other people will watch it. You're watching it and I'm not in front of you. So I am going to come here. I am going to literally take the 6 loaves. Let me do it a little carefully. Sorry. Okay, I'm thinking what's the best way to draw? Okay, fine. I made a decision here. Let's say these are the first 6 loaves of the first traveler, each cut into 4 pieces. The blue, this is traveler 1's first loaf cut into 4 pieces, traveler 1's second loaf cut into 4 pieces, traveler 1's third loaf cut into 4 pieces. You get the point. Okay, I'm going to write here traveler 1. Give me 1 second. Well, you know, I'm running into a little bit of a problem, but that's not a problem. We're going to address it. Give me 1 second. I need a little more room. Okay. And I'm going to go to, I don't need this here anymore. So I'm going to go further down. All right. So here things are a little better. Then the second person has 4 loaves. Give me 1 second. I need to expand it a little bit. Okay, the second person has 5 loaves. I'm going to take her 5 loaves and cut it into 4 slices as well. And I know this problem is a little messy, so things are getting, I need a little extra room. So I'm going to summarize my picture, okay? Don't worry too much. So the green represents the 5 loaves, the 5 rows, each loaf cut into 4 slices. Those are my little green squares. So this is a loaf, and it's important to kind of keep them kind of separately. So this is a loaf cut into 4 slices. The second traveler's second loaf, the second traveler's third, fourth, fifth, and the colors are important. Okay. Now the third person had only 4 loaves, and I'm going to cut her loaves into 4 slices as well. And I'm going to change her colors to orange, yellow, more like real bread color. Not that it matters. So let's pause here a little bit. This is traveler 1. This is traveler 2. This is traveler 3. Now, we have established that each person gets only 15 slices. So blue belongs to traveler 1. So I'm going to give her, I'm going to write 1 for traveler 1. So she gets 15 slices from her share. She has more than 15 slices. I'm going to make sure I counted 15. All the ones in blue are the 15 slices that traveler 1 gets to keep. Okay. Traveler 2 has more than 15 slices. So I'm going to write 2. She gets to keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't want to mess it up. Traveler 3 gets to keep her 15 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, lo and behold, the leftover slices, there are exactly 15 of them. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All these slices marked with the star go to traveler 4. She has no bread. She's going to get this. Now ask yourself, how much money? I'm going to write it nicely, okay? So ask yourself, how much money? If she also has 15 quarters, it's in the question, I don't want to go back, but this person, traveler 4, has 15 quarters. So for me, it makes sense that T3 will get 1 quarter. She's giving her only 1 slice. T2 will get 3, 4, 5 quarters because she is giving traveler 4 5 slices, and T1 should get 7 quarters because she is giving traveler 4 7 slices. So the answer is 7 for traveler 1, 5 goes to traveler 2, and 1 goes to traveler 3. That's my answer in pink in the bottom. I'm going to pause there a little bit.
Okay, that made a lot more sense when you did this time. I think the last time, I think you did it a little bit differently algebraically, maybe.
I see. I
So,
may have.
but that makes sense.
Glad you got it. I'm glad you asked. That's why we are here. Good. I will
Yes, thank you.
Absolutely. I'll upload this as our third session, so people will have it.
I think that's all the questions that I had. I do have a class at 1 o'clock, but I appreciate it. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming. See you later. Bye.